Hello, little explorers. Welcome to Source Kids TV. Today, discovering nature's wonders. A visit to the Botanical Garden. Embark on a delightful adventure to a lush botanical garden, where young minds can explore vibrant flowers, towering trees, and fascinating plant life. This episode of Source Kids TV brings the beauty of nature closer to children, teaching them about the environment, plant diversity, and the importance of conservation through exciting visuals and interactive activities. Why visit? A visit to a botanical garden helps children learn about various plants, flowers, and trees. It also teaches them about the seasons and how plants grow. 1. Understanding Botanical Garden 1. Botanical garden. Definition: a special place where many different kinds of plants and flowers are grown and cared for. Example: we are going to the botanical garden to see lots of beautiful flowers and trees. 2. Plants. Definition: living things that grow in the ground, like trees, flowers, and bushes. Example: these plants grow big and tall in the garden. 3. Flowers. Definition: colorful parts of plants that bloom and are often very pretty. Example: look at the pink flowers. They smell so nice. 4. Trees. Definition: large plants with trunks and branches that grow in gardens and forests. Example: the tall tree has green leaves and makes shade for us. 5. Leaves. Definition: the flat, green parts of a plant or tree that help it make food from the sun. Example: the leaves on the tree are turning yellow because it's autumn. 6. Roots. Definition: the part of the plant that grows underground and helps it stay in place and get water. Example: the roots of the tree are very strong and keep it steady. 7. Stem. Definition: the part of a plant that supports the leaves, flowers, and fruit. Example: the stem of this flower is tall and helps it stand up straight. 8. Bushes. Definition: small to medium-sized plants with many branches, often found in gardens. Example: the bushes around the garden are full of colorful flowers. 9. Seeds. Definition: small things that grow into new plants when planted in the soil. Example: we can plant seeds in the garden and watch them grow into flowers. 10. Gardener. Definition: a person who takes care of the plants and flowers in the garden. Example: the gardener waters the flowers and makes sure they grow healthy. 11. Watering can. Definition: a container used to water plants. Example: we use a watering can to give the plants the water they need. 12. Fruits. Definition: the part of a plant that holds seeds and is usually sweet, like apples, oranges, or berries. Example: we can pick fruit from the trees in the botanical garden. 13. Pollen. Definition: tiny yellow dust from flowers that helps plants make seeds. Example: bees carry the pollen from one flower to another to help them grow. 14. Butterflies. Definition: insects with colorful wings that fly around flowers in gardens. Example: look at the butterflies fluttering around the flowers. 15. Insects. Definition: small animals like bees, ants, and ladybugs that live in gardens. Example: insects help pollinate flowers and help the garden grow. 16. Shady. Definition: when a place is covered in shadow, usually from a tree or large plant. Example: it's so nice and cool under the shady tree. 17. Bloom. Definition: when a flower opens up and shows its petals. Example: and quote, the flowers will bloom in the spring and look beautiful. And quat. 18. Greenhouse. Definition: a special building where plants are kept warm and healthy, especially in cold weather. Example: we can go into the greenhouse to see the plants that need extra warmth. 19. Compost. Definition: decayed plants and food that are used to help other plants grow. Example: the gardener makes compost to feed the plants in the garden. 20. Vines. Definition: long, thin plants that climb up trees, fences, or other plants. Example: the vines are growing up the fence and around the tree. 2. Why visit a botanical garden? Explore nature, see and learn about plants and animals. Smell flowers. Enjoy the sweet scents. Discover seasons. Learn how plants change in spring, summer, fall, and winter. Relax. Feel calm in the fresh air. Learn. Understand how plants grow and what they need. 3. Benefits of visiting. Connection to nature. Helps children feel closer to the environment. Observation skills. Teaches noticing details in plants and animals. Creativity. Inspires art and storytelling based on nature. Exercise. Walking and exploring improves physical health. Curiosity. Sparks interest in science and the natural world. 4. Objects to discover. Leaves, green parts of plants. Roots, parts of plants under the ground. Fruit, edible parts of plants, like apples and bananas. Cactus, plants that grow in deserts. Ferns, plants with large green leaves. Bamboo, tall, hollow. Grass, birds, animals that live in trees and bushes. Rocks, natural stones in the garden. 5. Activities to engage with. Leaf rubbing. Place paper over a leaf and rub with crayons. Flower hunt. Find flowers in every color of the rainbow. Seed planting. Plant seeds and learn how they grow. Pond watching. Look for fish, frogs, and bugs near the water. Nature scavenger hunt. Search for specific plants or animals. Butterfly spotting. Count butterflies on flowers. Tree hugging. Feel the bark and learn about different trees. 6. Resources to support learning. Books. Picture books about plants and gardens. Magnifying glass. To look closely at plants and bugs. Gardening tools, small spades and watering cans. Coloring sheets, pictures of flowers and trees. Nature apps. Interactive apps for identifying plants and animals. 7. Rules and etiquette. Stay on paths. Do not step on plants or flowers. No picking. Look at flowers but do not pick them. Quiet voices. Speak softly too. Avoid disturbing others. Trash free. Keep the garden clean by using trash bins. Listen to guides. Follow instructions during tours or activities. 8. Understanding the environment. Fresh air. Clean air with the smell of plants and flowers. Bright colors, flowers and leaves in many colors. Buzzing bees, and other pollinators flying around. Sounds of nature. Birds chirping, wind rustling leaves. Warm sunlight. Light that helps plants grow. 9. Making learning fun. Guess the plant. Name plants by their shape or color. Story time. Read books about plants under a big tree. Nature art. Collect fallen leaves and twigs to make art. Dance. Like nature. Move like swaying trees or blooming flowers. Create a garden. Pretend to plant a garden at school. That's all for today's adventure in the Botanical Garden. Remember, taking care of plants means taking care of our earth. We hope you had as much fun exploring as we did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Source Kids TV for more exciting journeys into the world around us. See you next time.